Are you peeking?
Ready to unleash the beast.
Yeah.
I can hear it in there.
Our shop foreman here, so I'm going to let Justin kind of take control here. He knows how these things come out of the box, so
I lift them out.
Yeah.
But, you can roll them out.
I watched a couple of these videos. I watched you guys do with the forklift.
Yeah, the forklift's the way I sold them.
So you're like, yeah.
Once you take all the supports and hold it in, it's
Yeah.
like, oh, no. Put it right over here.
So what we'll end up doing here is once he does get it out of crate, then he does a little sub-assembly, and then our driver will come in and pick it up, and then we finish up everything over at the store, do all the programming and everything. So what can we have Manny do?
Want to cut the rest of it open?
Sure. There you go.
Just right on the tape. I had to tape it on.
This is a highly official. I'm gonna get you a box cut. Put that in the budget for next week.
Yeah, when I open them up when I get them in, so that's why it's all taped back together.
That's all right.
Just doing your toes clear.
Yep, I'm all clear. I'll send your physical box cut right here. I don't want you to lose that.
That's an expensive tool.
Yeah, that's it.
Take off a little metal here first.
Yep. Yeah, you're right. It's not quite ready to drive home tonight.
It's not quite ready to drive home. Yeah, I apologize if I wasn't clear about that. Yeah, when you said I want to see it. Can I see it uncrated? Sure, we can do that. And I was just
Tires aren't even on.
yeah, I was disappointed when I seen your helmet. I said, well, I wasn't communicating
No, it's all right, no
100%. Yeah.
Oh, she's on her belly, man.
Oh yeah.
We can get this out of the way.
It's always the second one.
Well, I guess I'm going down to the bottom first, anyway.
Let us know how we can help too. And
In a little bit here, I'll need a hand.
yeah.
That one's 13. 13.
They only use the same size of bolts on the bike.
Italian.
Yeah.
Alright, so. Now if,
You guys gonna go,
slide over towards, Alright, actually.
yeah, go ahead and sit on it and that way when he gets the, you're the very first one to sit on it that way.
That's right. Got all that black enamel finish on everything.
Yeah,
It's a nice and
all
black.
anodized and everything, yeah.
Yeah. This is all aluminum. That's not plastic. I mean,
No, it's the real McCoy.
the reason I like the S is because it has on the it has the painted block and then
Right.
it has the
Right where she's,
it looks nice in there.
oh, it's beautiful, yeah.
Yeah.
I wonder, get a little peek at the tank. I'm just gonna take the top off just for
Yeah.
now, and then that way you can take a little peek at her here and put that back on before they transport it back over, but. So what do you think? Is that kind of what you're looking for?
That's the one.
She's a beautiful bike.
That should do it, I think.
Yeah.
Looks like it needs some plastic.
Yeah.